Hi, welcome to the market alert for Tuesday, the 20th of January 2016. And yesterday in the pre-market session, you can see that the market moving higher from 9.35 all the way up to the, let me just put the data line on there, trading up and through the 16,250, and then eventually switching to the short side, and then coming back through the 16,200, and then all the way down to 16,050 in the first part of the session. And this is where the volatility increased, and we didn't get any other signals until in the quieter part of the session, of which we had a buy, which then turned into be a loss because the market then went quiet and sideways. Eventually we had a sell signal which retrieved 3/4 of this loss, but not quite. And then on the overnight we see the plunge protection team come back and bring the market back up 150 points. And then on the overnight you can see we've had sell signal after sell signal that is producing profits. The market moving down sharply already on the overnight. So the pre-market session is actually showing huge profits there on the overnight market. So it looks like there's enough volatility in this market to trade the pre-market session. And again, yesterday you can see that we had more profits in the pre-market than we did inside of the actual session at 2:30 because of the range of these bars. Of course, you can always increase the range of the bars and keep the risk down as well, but personally I prefer to keep the range the same, even if it means that I can trade in the pre-market and also the quieter part of the session. It's unusual, as we've seen from last week. We actually had mostly winning trades, if not all, during the quieter part, but yesterday the market did actually, true to form, did trade sideways and then became active again in the latter part of the session. But certainly lots of profits on the overnight market at the moment because of the range of the bars. We've even seen a 50-point drop in the overnight market, which is unusual as well in 1 5-minute bar. Bit of support being found at the moment. Let's have a look at this in the daily chart, see how things are shaping up. Let's bring this over because we're heading back towards those October lows. In fact, the 15,572 is definitely on the cards for today if the market continues lower. We've now convincingly taken out the 15,902, which the market had been sitting on for the last 2 or 3 sessions, but we're certainly looking for a close below this level here. We're back down to August lows when the plunge protection team came in, drove the market up 600 points in one go, and that was just in a 5-minute bar as well. If you've not seen the video, have a look on the YouTube channel. You can actually see it there. So 15,254 is the next downside target, and I have no doubts the plunge protection team will be sitting and waiting to pull the trigger at this level, because a break below here really does send the signal that things are not looking good as far as the Dow is concerned. On the news front today, we've got, let's have a look, housing starts, CPI, building permits. There's a lot of news out at 1:30, but again, the market will be looking for the high impact news item that now is the crude oil inventories. Used to be a medium impact one, it's now a major one. And you can see there the market looking for a forecast of a surplus of 3.3 million. If that comes out as the case, then expect crude oil to move lower again. And let's have a quick look around the globe. The Shanghai market down just under 1% there, bouncing back a bit. You can see there just up slightly, been down to the lows of 2,954. On the Baltic Dry Index continues to move lower, not much shipping going on, and the commodity index as well also continuing to move lower there. Implied volatility 2148, well, down slightly on Friday's session there during Monday, but I expect this to increase today with the markets already moving several hundred points lower on the overnight. Right, that's it for today. I will see you in tomorrow's. Unless something exceptional happens during the day, then I will let you know. Other than that, have a great day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.